Right now, it's a strange and unpredictable time for everyone, as we all shelter in place and practice social distancing for the sake of our friends and family. But here at the Environmental Learning Center, life's been just as busy for all sorts of wildlife. We thought we'd keep you up to date so you don't miss a thing while you're staying safe at home. While you wouldn't be wrong to think that the Environmental Learning Center is one big habitat, in reality it consists of a number of smaller habitats that altogether make up the ELC, and at the ELC, biodiversity is the key. Everything from the trees to the wetland channels to the native plant garden provides spaces for different animals to take shelter and raise their young. If you spend time in the gardens, you may start to notice structures like these. We here at the Environmental Learning Center want to encourage lots of species to take root in the trees, and placing structures like these bird boxes around the property is a great way to make them feel right at home. Down on the ground, there's plenty to see. We've recently spotted baby ducklings cruising around the pond. Ducks and other migratory birds need places to rest and often use the waters around the ELC to sleep, forage, and raise their young. On a warm day, you can find bullfrogs sunning themselves on the ELC's frog logs and making a big sound when they talk to each other. While they're not native to our waters, they do make tasty snacks for the great blue heron. The wetlands attract a whole host of insects and even microscopic organisms, which can make for a healthy snack for both birds and amphibians. The garden's native plants also provide a place for them to lay their eggs and take shelter once their young have hatched out. Overall, it's the perfect place for these animals to make their home. And this is just what you can see. Animals are the pros when it comes to camouflage, meaning their homes have to be hidden too. Other animals like the rough-skinned newt, the garter snake, and smaller frog species like the red-legged and chorus tree frog make their homes in and around the Environmental Learning Center. If we're lucky, we might just spot one in a later video, and when you visit, maybe you will too.